Farmer Dean here, and I like my vegetables a lot, but I really love my zinnias. I give away 400 dozen of zinnias every year. So let's take a look at some of my zinnias. So here they are. Look at the yellow. Look, look at the pink color on that one and the beautiful center. Then we have red, or salmon as they call it. We got a purple. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then if we run down here quickly, there's that darn yellow one I was talking about right there. Isn't it something? And what would a flower garden be without a beautiful orange? And also a really nice red. Now look at that. Something ate the side of that, but it'll still be pretty in a bouquet. OMGs, aren't they pretty?